What are we making today?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
We're making pizza.
Yeah.
Can you say hi to everybody?
Daddy.
Okay, let's take our warm water, pour it softly, okay? Slowly. Ready? Good girl. Now, this is yeast. Uh-huh. Good job. Thank you. And this is sugar. Thank you. We're gonna put olive oil in there.
Okay.
Put it in. Pour gently, baby girl. We're gonna pour some salt.
Okay.
Gently, please. Good job. A little more. Good job, baby.
No.
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pour this one, okay? Just a little. Not a lot. That's enough. That's enough.
God.
I guess. The dough that we are making is going to be a thin crust. No, next time, okay? I promise. Well done. Don't. Yeah. No, it's not ready. Okay. I could do it. I could do it myself.
Mama, go get it. Go get it.
You put a sticker in my coffee cup.
Yeah. Hey.
Child! Stop. That's enough. Okay? Thank you. That's enough, baby. Are you making it snow?
Yeah.
Would you like to roll the dough? Would you like to knead it?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's a small piece for you. Start kneading the dough. Good girl. We're gonna wrap one up and put it in the fridge for later tonight, okay? We're gonna wrap this one up extra well, put it in the freezer, and it will stay good
No.
for up to a month. But we'll probably eat it before then. What do you want? It's almost round, right?
Yeah. Good.
Okay, good. Don't touch it. We're gonna bake it at 450 for 5 minutes, okay? This is hot, so you can't touch it, okay? Can you put some right here? Can you put the olives on there? Good job.
Hey!
Good job, baby.
Yay!
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Hold on. It's hot.
Hey.
It's hot. Mmm.
Mm.
It's nice and crispy. Want to try it, Daddy?
Okay.
I told you it was hot.
Dad.
Yeah, grab a slice, Dad.
Eat it.
You want me to eat it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I did eat. Good.
Good. Well, I think this was a success. What do you think, River?
No.
No?
Yeah.
It was a success? Is it good? Yeah? Do you want to say bye to the camera?
Da.